are getting ready to do our Spanish rice with a little pesto, one of our sides for dinner tonight. And this is the meatloaf. I just put it to keep warm. It's all nice and bubbly, and I'll be taking it out of the crock pot in a little while and show you what it looks like on a platter and then on my plate. Enjoying some downtime with the Hannah Montana movie. My husband bought me this, Grease, Ever After, and Dirty Dancing. And the rice is cooking in the pot, and it's going to thicken up nicely with the butter and everything added into it. And then we're going to put the steamed fresh corn in the microwave in a little bit. We're going to lift the meatloaf out of the crock pot. Just going to kind of pull it up a little bit. Oh, and it's breaking. The meatloaf did break a little bit. It's okay. You can still eat it and it looks fantastic. I have it sitting on the platter, and there's some extra sauce, or gravy if you will, in the crock pot to drizzle all over the meatloaf. Here is the meatloaf on my plate with the rice and the corn. And it did break, but that's okay. It looks fabulous. David will get his on his plate in a moment. I have the kids' plates ready to go. They'll be coming up the stairs in a moment. They went to the school playground up the way, our elementary school. Both my kids are at the junior senior high school. A full look at my table from all angles.